wrong. You need to be led. Just like everyone else, it's a basic need.
This technology is meant to expand human communication, but you're not even human anymore! What you've become terrifies me. You're a freak.
Your naive idiocy makes me very angry!
Access denied. 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 Access denied.
This universe is mine. I am God here. I sense your thoughts. What are you hiding?
The bombs. Jesus, the bombs.
Bombs.
You forced me.
So you were willing to die. I'll stop them.
You can't defuse the bombs, can you? You lost all your power over the physical world once you transferred in here.
So you've given me one final game to play. I find a way out, or I die in this diseased mainframe. But that's not my destiny. I have things to do, people to see, a billion calls to make. You will die in the explosion.
You're trapped in here, aren't you, You're trapped right here.
Access denied. Access denied.
Where is it?
Access denied. Access denied. Access denied.